Hello students, welcome back, and in this particular video I am going to take care of paragraph group. Not all the options. Here you can see I have made a selection of one particular paragraph, and already left alignment has been selected. So you can see from the left side the alignment has been done properly. However, from the right side this is not the scenario. If you want the alignment to be done properly from both the side, from the left as well as from the right side, you can go for justified option. Here if I'm clicking on justify, you can see the alignment has been done properly from the left as well as from the right side. However, the most official and professional one is the left one. This is the center alignment. I have made a selection of this particular title, and mostly for the titles center alignment is being used. Apart from titles, in the table also center alignment and right alignment is being used. Here you can see this is the left alignment, center alignment, and this is the right alignment. So according to your requirement, you can use whatever alignment you want to use. Also here you can see align spacing option. Again, I have made a selection of this particular paragraph. Click over here. By default the spacing is 1.0. I can increase the spacing and you can see the changes. There is this option of add space before paragraph, and this is the option of add space after paragraph. If I will go for add space before paragraph, you can see here a space has been added. Control Z. And if I am going for from here I am going for add space after paragraph, you can see after the paragraph one particular space has been added. However, if you want to remove the space, you need to click over here and go for remove space after paragraph. And if there is a space before paragraph, you will get to see the option of remove space before paragraph as well. This is the option of intent actually. If you want to increase the intent, what I mean to say, I have made a selection of paragraph already, and if I'm going to increase the intent, you can see here the intent is moving towards the right side. Decrease, definitely no, to decrease this intent. Okay, there are few options which is being left, bullets and numbering and sorting options, but these are big options in their own, and I will take care of these particular topics in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.